Welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Now Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the integration of some rational function using partial fraction and some problems solved. Today we are going to discuss integration of a rational function using partial fraction and some more problems. After completion we will discuss the integration of twin functions, that is x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1, x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1, okay, then x square divided by x square plus 1, x plus 1 dx. These are the concepts or portions we have to discuss. Okay, so let's start the problem. Integration of x square divided by x square plus 2 into x square plus 4 dx. So here this is homogeneous form. So here we have to consider x square is equal to y. This is the trick to solve the problem. Solution, and this is equal to what? X square divided by x square plus 2 into x square plus 4 into dx. Clear? Let x square is equal to y. Because it is homogeneous form, homogeneous, not homogeneous function, but the degree of the x equal here, x square, x square. Okay, so the degree is equal, then consider x square is equal to y. Now this will be what? X square divided by x square plus 2 into x square plus 4 is equal to y by what? Y plus 2 into y plus 4. Clear? Let y by y plus 2 into y plus 4 is equal to a by y plus 2 plus b by y plus 4, and taking LCM here cancelled, so y is equal to a into y plus 4 plus b into y plus 2. Clear? Eliminate this, put y is equal to minus 4, so minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2, minus 2b is equal to here minus 4. So b is equal to what? B is equal to 2. Again eliminate this, again put y is equal to minus 2, this 0, minus 2 plus 4, that is 2, and 2a is equal to this is minus 2 and plus 4, this is what? 2 into a, this term 0, this is equal to y is equal to minus 2 here, put y is equal to minus 2 here, so minus 2, that implies a is equal to what? Minus 1. Now the integration is what? This will be what? This is y by y plus 2 y plus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to here given a by y plus 2. A means minus 1 by y plus 2, b means 2 into 2 divided by y plus 4. This is 4. Okay, so this is my y minus y plus minus 4. This is 2y plus 4. So balanced here. Now integration of x is equal to y equal to what? X square. So integration of x square divided by x square plus 2 into what? X square plus 4 into dx. So this is minus 1 by this is x square. 2 means what? Root 2 whole square dx, and 2 into what? Integration of 1 by x square, y means x square plus 2 square into dx. So this is minus 1, that is minus 1 by root 2 into tan inverse x by root 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 into tan inverse x by 2 plus c. 2 cancel. So minus 1 by root 2 into tan inverse x by root 2 plus tan inverse x by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Now another question. One question is x cube divided by x4 plus 3x square plus 2 integration dx. So this is solution is x cube divided by x4 plus 3x square plus 2 into dx. Suppose this can be written as what? X square into x, and this can be written x square whole square plus 3x square plus 2 dx. Put x square is equal to t, 2x is equal to dt by dx, and x ds is equal to what? X ds is equal to dt by 2. So this is equal to what? This is x square means what? T, and this is dt by 2. Okay, and dt by 2. So t by 2 into dt whole divided by this is t square plus 3t plus 2 integration dt. So factorize this. This is equal to what? This is equal to t by 2, and this is t square plus 2t plus t plus 2 dt. Now this is equal to what? Integration of t by 2 by t common here, t plus 2, and 1 common here, t plus 2 dt. So t by 2 dt divided by what? T plus 1 into t plus 1 t plus 2. Let t by 2 whole divided by t plus 1 into what? T plus 2 is equal to a by t plus 1 plus b by t plus 2. Clear? So I am taking LCM here, cancel. So t by 2 is equal to what? A into t plus 2 plus b into t plus 1. Eliminate this. Put t is equal to minus 2. So this term 0 and minus 2 plus 1. This is minus b, and this is minus 2 by 2. So minus 1. So b is equal to what? B is equal to 1. Again put, this is b equal, that implies b is equal to 1. Again put t is equal to minus 1. So this term 0, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. So 1 into a is equal to a, and this is minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. A equal to minus 1 by 2. Now integration of this is equal to, now this is integration a by t plus 1. A means what? Minus 1 by 2 integration 1 by t plus 1 dt and b means what? 1 by t plus 2 dt. So this is minus 1 by 2 ln mod of t plus 1 plus ln t plus 2 mod plus c. What is t here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2, what is t? T means x square. Log of x square plus 1 plus log of what? S square plus 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now another question. Another question, integrate cos x divided by sin 2s sin x ds. This is asked CHSC 2009. Okay, so solution is what? Solution is integration of cos x divided by sin 2x plus sin x into dx. So this is equal to cos x divided by 2 sin x into cos x plus sin x dx. So take sin x common. So cos x divided by sin x common here, that is 2 cos x plus 1 into dx. So the cos sin को t ने ले, this is equal to what? Cos x sin x plus sin x. So this is equal to, now this is cos x divided by sin x at 2 cos x plus 1. Okay, so what is derivative, the function whose derivative is cos x, which is the function? So derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, but here cos x, so cos x cannot be taken as t, but sin x, what is derivative of sin x? Sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, so sin x, put sin x equal to t. So here cos x ds correct, and if derivative of cos x equal to what? Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. So one thing you have to do here, this is equal to here cos x into sin x divided by sin square x into 2 cos x plus 1 into dx. So this is equal to cos x into sin x divided by 1 minus cos square x into 2 cos x plus 1 into dx. Now put cos x is equal to t. Put cos x is equal to t. What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. So minus sin x is equal to dt by dx, and this is equal to what? Sin x ds is equal to minus dt. Clear? So this is equal to integration minus, so what is here? This is t and this is minus dt, so take minus common, and this is equal to what? T square 1 minus t square. Clear? 1 minus t square into 2t plus 1. 1 minus t square, here minus present, so t square minus 1, right? T square minus 1, t by t square minus 1 into 2t plus 1 dt. Again this can be factorizable, so this is 1 by what? T minus 1 into t plus 1 into 2t plus 1 dt. Now make partial fraction on this. Let 1 by t minus 1 into 1 by t plus 1 2t plus 1 is equal to a by t minus 1 plus b by t plus 1 plus c by 2t plus 1. Okay, so take LCM. So LCM cancel here this term and LCM cancel it. So 1 is equal to 1 by t minus 1 cancel, so present what? T plus 1 into 2t plus 1 plus b into what? T minus 1 into 2t plus 1 and plus c into what? T minus 1 into t plus 1. T plus 1. Okay. Now what happens here? What happens here? If t is eliminate this, put t is equal to what? Put t is equal to minus 1. If t is equal to minus 1, then this term 0, c eliminates and a eliminate, remaining here. T equal to minus 1, that is b into minus 2, and this is minus 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 1 is equal to what? 1. So b is equal to what? 1 by 2. So b equal to what? That implies b is equal to 1 by 2. Again put t equal to 1. Again put t is equal to 1. So t equal to 1 hele, this term eliminate and this term eliminates. So 1 plus 1 2 and this is 3. 2 into 3 6a. 1 plus 1 2 and this is 2 plus 1 3. 2 into 3 6a is equal to what? 1. That implies a is equal to 1 by 6. Now comparing the corresponding coefficients, or finally put t equal to 0. Corresponding coefficient compare कल हम नाल कौन कर फाइनली जना पड़ूनी कि t equal to 0 पकड़ दियो. Put t is equal to 0. तो t 0 पुट कले a 0 हला, a 0 हला, रहला 1 into 1 a 0 हला minus 1 रहला, a 0 हला plus 1 रहला, तो minus b. एटा t टा 0 पकले minus 1, t टा 0 पकले plus 1, तो minus c is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. This is not 1. This is t by, sorry, this is t by, this is t by, clear, and this is t by. Make correction, simple correction. If t is equal to 1, correction, make correction. If t is equal to 1, this is equal to minus 1. Okay, t equal to minus 1, this is equal to a equal to minus 1 by 2. If t is equal to 1, t equal to 1, what happens here? This term 0, this term 0, only a term. So t equal to minus t equal to 1 put kale, t equal to 1 put kale, कितना ऑप्शन t equal to 1 put kale, तो 6a is equal to, that is 1, t equal to 1 put kale, एटा same अच्छे. Again t equal to 0 पकेले एटा 0 हबो. टिके करेक्शन कर दियो. ओके, एटा 1 हे थिला t हबो. So what happens here, that is value of a is equal to 1 by 6 and value of b is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 6 and value of b is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus c is equal to 0. That is equal to c is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. So c is equal to LCM 6, 1 plus what? 3. That is 4 by 6, that is c is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now the value of a, b, c, here value of a, this is a, where is a? This is value of a, this is value of a, and where is b? B is here, and this is a, and this is b, and this is c. So now integration Now integration. Now a by t minus 1, what is value of a? 1 by 6 into 1 by t minus 1 dt. What is value of b? Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by t plus 1 dt. And what is c? 2 by 3 into 1 by what? 1 by 2t, 1 by 2t plus 1, 2t plus 1 dt. So that is 1 by 6 ln t minus 1 minus 1 by 2 ln t plus 1 plus 2 by 3 into what? 1 by 2 ln 2t plus 1 plus c. Now 1 by 6, what is t? T means what? Where is t? This is t, cos x. So cos x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 ln cos x plus 1, and this is 1 by 3 ln 2 cos x plus 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay, this is question number 3. And another question. Now another question, which is dx by cos x into 1 plus 2 sin x, asked in CHSC 2008. Okay, this is very important questions. So solution is what? Solution, integration dx by cos x into 1 plus 2 sin x. Okay, so what is derivative of sin x? Cos x. So multiply and divide by cos x. So cos x, this will be what? Cos square x, and 1 plus 2 sin x dx. Put sin x is equal to t, cos x dt by dx. So cos x into dx is equal to what? dt. So dt by this is this is cos x is equal to sin x equal to, or we can write here this is cos x by, and this is 1 minus sin square x into what? 1 plus 2 sin x. Clear? Dx. So this is equal to 1 minus t square. Okay, 1 minus t square into 1 plus what? 2t dt. So take minus common here. So minus 1 by t square minus 1, that is t minus 1 into what? T plus 1, and this is 2t plus 1 dt. Now make partial fraction. Now make partial fraction. This is equal to what? This is equal to, let minus 1 by t minus 1 into t plus 1 into 2t plus 1 is equal to a by t minus 1 plus b by t plus 1 plus c by 2t plus 1. Now, and this is what? Minus 1 by taking LCM here. So minus 1 is equal to that is a into what? T plus 1 into 2t plus 1 plus b into t minus 1 into what? 2t plus 1 plus c into t minus 1 into t plus 1. Okay, so eliminate this term. Put t is equal to minus 1, t equal to minus 1, a eliminate and c eliminate. So minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2, and this is equal to what? B is equal to here minus 2, and this is minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 1, this is minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So B is equal to what? B is equal to 1 by 2, again put t is equal to 1, t equal to 1, here b and c eliminate, so 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 into 3 6 a is equal to minus 1, a equal to minus 1 by 6. Now okay, now put t is equal to what? T is equal to minus 1 by 2. Put t is equal to minus 1 by 2. Otherwise you can put t equal to 0. Okay, 0 पकड़े हम वैल्यू पकड़े एलिमेंट हो जाऊँगी एटा एलिमेंट हम ये एलिमेंट हम तो रहा c minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this is equal to what? C into what? Minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. Clear? 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So this is minus 3c by 4 is equal to minus 1. That implies c is equal to 4 by 3. C is equal to 4 by 3. Clear? Okay. Now this is equal to what? This is minus 2 and minus 1 plus, and this is minus. This is minus. Value of b is equal to what? Value of b equal to minus 1 by 2. Now integration what? A by t minus 1. What is a? Minus 1 by 6 integration of what? 1 by t minus 1 dt. And what is b? B is equal to minus 1 by 2 1 by t plus 1 into dt. And what is c? That is 4 by 3 into 1 by 2t plus 1 dt. So this is equal to minus 1 by 6 ln t minus 1 minus 1 by 2 ln t plus 1 plus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 because t coefficient 2. So ln what? 2t plus 1 plus c. What is t here? T means what? T is equal to sin x. So minus 1 by 6 ln sin x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 ln sin x plus 1, and this is 2 cancel, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 ln 2 cos. This is what is t here? T means sin t. So 2 sin x plus 1 plus c. This is answer. Now one more questions. This is the question. Integrate 1 by x into x to n plus 1 dx. Solution. Integration of 1 by x into x to n plus 1 dx. If x to n equal to t, then n into x to n minus 1. So multiply numerator and denominator by x to n minus 1. So this will be x to n and x to n plus 1 into dx. Put x to the power n is equal to t, n into x to n minus 1 equal to dt by dx. So x to n minus 1 dx is equal to dt by n. So this is equal to what? That is 1 by n into 1 by what? T into t plus 1 into dt. This can be easily done by heat and triangle method. In numerator this is 1. So this is equal to what? 1 by n. We can easily 1 by n and integration what? 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1. ये एडजस्ट हो जाऊँगी तुम यहाँ पार्सल पर्सन कले हम न कल ना इमती डायरेक्ट भी चलो कौन पाई ना एलसीएम काले के टी प्लस 1 माइनस टी डिवाइड बाय टी इंटू टी प्लस 1 कैंसल हो जाऊँगी. सो आउ यहाँ पार्सल पर्सन करिया दरकार नहीं डायरेक्ट कर. सो 1 by n इंटू व्हाट log of t minus log of t plus 1 more. Okay, so this is 1 by n log of t by t plus 1 more plus c. What is t? That is 1 by n ln x to n divided by x to n plus 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay, now let's discuss the integration of twin functions. Okay, integral, twin integral, that is called twin integral. Twin integral, twin integration, that is integration of number 1, integration of x square plus 1 divided by x4 plus 1 dx. Okay, power 2 and power 4 project, or power 2 power 4 or power 4 power 0, this type. So this is very important. If this is plus contains, first thing, step 1. So for this type question, first step 1, divide numerator and denominator by x square. So this is what, 1 by 1 plus x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square into dx. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप है. सेकेंड स्टेप कौन करिवो? सेकेंड स्टेप कौन करिवो? जदि ये प्लस अच्छी तो आमर दुईटा फर्मूला अच्छी, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. तो ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab and a plus b whole square minus 2ab. If numerator is plus, then apply first formula, a minus b whole square plus 2a formula. So this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square divided by a square plus b square, means a minus b whole square, that is x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, x into 1. So cancel this. Now this is equal to what? Now this is equal to integration 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x minus 1 by x whole square plus what? 2 dx. Put x minus 1 by x is equal to t. Put x minus 1 by x is equal to t. So derivative of x1, derivative of 1 by x, 1 by x square, and this is dt by dx. So 1 plus 1 by x square into dx is equal to what? Dt. Put this is equal to dt by t square plus 2 means what? T square plus 2 means root 2 whole square. So this is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse t by root 2 plus c. What is t here? 1 by root 2 tan inverse t means what? T means x minus 1 by x by root 2 plus c. This is answer. Now another question, that is x square minus 1 questions. Okay, now this is x square minus 1 by x4. Second question in the twin integration. Sure, same process. Divide numerator and denominator, dr means denominator, by x square. So 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square into ds. ऊपर माइनस अच्छी माने आमर ए फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करी पड़ो, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर ऊपर माइनस अच्छी न्यूमरेटर रे, तो आम अप्लाई करा पड़ो ए प्लस बी पर होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. एटा टी इम्पोर्टेंस कौन, जदि प्लस साइन थिले अपोजिट साइन नब, ये माइनस साइन अच्छी ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. जदि प्लस साइन था ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab कर. अगेन दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 by 1 by x square x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x into dx. Okay, so 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into dx. Clear? Then put x plus 1 by x is equal to t, differentiate करो 1 minus 1 by x square into is equal to dt by dx. So 1 minus 1 by x square into dx is equal to what? Is equal to what? dt. So put here, that is dt by, this is t square minus 2 means root 2 square. Which formula applied here? That is integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. So 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c formula. Clear? So this is equal to what? This is equal to this formula applied. 1 by 2a means 1 by 2 into root 2 into log t minus root 2 divided by t plus root 2 plus c. What is t here? That is 1 by 2 root 2. T means what? Log of t means x plus 1 by x minus root 2 divided by x plus 1 by x plus root 2. This is answer. Okay, now another question. Now another question of twin integration, that is integration of x square divided by x plus 1 dx. Okay, so this is equal to what? Solution integration x square divided by x4 plus 1 dx. आमर ट्विन फॉर्म होची ए दुटा है ट्विन फॉर्म x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाय x प्लस 1 आउट होची x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाय x प्लस 1 यही फॉर्म को आने पड़ो ट्विन फॉर्म कहूँ तो मुझे कौन करी दैट इज 1 by 2 that is 2x square divided by x4 plus 1 dx, or we can write 1 by 2 and this is x square and this is x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2x square 2 cancel, that is x square whole divided by x 4 plus 1 into dx. Now this is 1 by 2 into integration of this one term and this is another term, x square plus 1 divided by x4 plus 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 divided by x4 plus 1 ds. ये दुटा क्वेश्चन डिस्कस हो जाए. फास्ट कौन करवा x स्क्वायर डिवाइड करवा. ओके, x स्क्वायर डिवाइड करवा, डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर and denominator by x square. What happens here? This is twin form. Okay, so 1 by 2 into, this is twin form, 1 by 2 into, this is what? 1 by 1 plus x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square dx plus 1 by 2 into what? 1 minus 1 by x square dx. 1 minus 1 by x square into, this is equal to what? X square plus 1 by x square into ds. Now plus contain numerator, so this is equal to what? 1 by 2 and 1 plus 1 by x square, x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 dx. This is 1 by 2 integration what? 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x plus 1 by x whole square, this is minus 2 dx. Put x minus 1 by x is equal to u, 1 plus 1 by x square into ds is equal to what? Du. And here put x plus 1 by x is equal to be 1 minus 1 by x square into dx is equal to dv. So this is equal to 1 by 2 integration dv by this is v u square du by this is u square plus root 2 square. Okay, u square plus root 2 square. This is what? Integration of, that is 1 by 2 integration du by u square plus root 2 square plus 1 by 2, and this is dv by v square minus what? Root 2 square, and this is equal to 1 by 2 into this is 1 by root 2 into tan inverse u by root 2 plus 1 by 2 into what? X square minus x का फॉर्मूला, तो 1 by 2a 2 root 2 into log v minus what? V minus root 2 by v plus root 2 plus c. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse u means what? X minus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x by root 2 plus v means what? 1 by 4 root 2 1 by 4 root 2 into log v means what? X plus 1 by x minus root 2 by x plus 1 by x plus root 2 mod plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. This is okay, this is v means what? X plus 1 by x minus root 2, this is x plus 1 by x plus root 2. This is answer. Clear? Now another question. This is another question. 1. Which is twin form? Twin form is x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 and x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Convert this one is twin form, so we can write here, that is 1 is equal to what? 1 is equal to here x square plus 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2. ओके, तो कौन क्रिया ना एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कली, एक्स स्क्वायर करनी तो माइनस ब्रैकेट लिखिली, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कली तो माइनस 1 माइनस प्लस 1 माइनस माइनस प्लस 2 ही जाऊँगी, तो डिवाइड बाय 2 कर देवी, कैंसल है तो 1 बाय ही जाऊँगी, आपको ट्विन फॉर्म कर दियो x4 प्लस 1 dx, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 एंड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाई x4 plus 1 into dx minus x square minus 1 divided by x4 plus 1 dx. This are solved. Okay, so this integral this is done in previous question. So divide numerator and denominator by x square, so 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square into dx minus 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square into dx. Okay, so this is equal to what? 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x square divided by what? X minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into dx minus 1 by 1 minus x square divided by x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into dx. Okay, so for this put x minus 1 by x is equal to v u, put x minus 1 by x is equal to u, 1 plus 1 by x square into ds is equal to what? Du. Okay, so and x plus 1 by x is equal to v, 1 minus 1 by x square into ds is equal to what? dv. So 1 by 2 into what? du by u square plus root 2 square minus 1 by 2 dv by what? b square minus root 2 whole square. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 tan inverse u by root 2 minus 1 by 2, and this is what? 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 into a means root 2 log v minus root 2 by b plus root 2 plus c. What is u and what is v? 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse u means x minus 1 by x by root 2 minus 1 by 4 root 2 into tan in log into log of x means what? V means what? X plus 1 by x minus root 2 divided by x plus 1 by x plus root 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now integration root over 10x dx. Solution: integration root over 10x dx. Put 10x is equal to t square. Okay, put 10x is equal to t square. This is sec square x ds is equal to what? dt. This is sec square x and this is 2t into dt. Correct? 2t into dt, and this is dt by dx. 2t dt by dx. So dt by ds is equal to dt by that is ds is equal to 2 dt by sec square x. So ds is equal to 2t by dt by sec square x means tan square x plus 1. Tan square x plus 1. So ds is equal to what? ds is equal to 2t dt by tan square x. Tan square x means tan means t square means t4 plus 1 dt. Now what is here? That is equal to integration of tan x t square, that is t into what? 2t dt by t4 plus 1. So this is 2t square by t4 plus 1 into dt. Make it twin form. So this is t square plus 1 and this is plus t square minus 1 divided by t4 plus 1 into dt. Okay. So this is equal to what? Part t square plus 1 by t4 plus 1 dt minus plus t square minus 1 divided by t4 plus 1 into dt. Divide numerator and denominator by t square. Okay, so t square is equal to what? This is equal to t square means 1 by 1 plus t square divided by t square plus 1 by t square into dt plus 1 minus 1 by t square divided by t square plus 1 by t square into dt. Correct. Then here integration of 1 plus t square by this is t minus 1 by t whole square plus 2. 2 means what? Root 2 whole square, and this is plus 1 minus this is 1 by t square. Okay, this is 1 by t square. So 1 plus 1 by t square. So 1 minus 1 by t square by this is t, this is plus, so plus here t plus 1 by t whole square, right? This is minus 2 root 2 whole square into dt. Let t minus 1 by t is equal to u, and this is 1 plus 1 by t square and this is what dt is equal to du. Here t plus 1 by t is equal to be 1 minus 1 by t square into what dt is equal to what dv. So integration du by u square plus root 2 square plus integration dv by what b square minus root 2 whole square. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse u by root 2 plus 1 by 2 into a means root 2 log of b minus root 2 by b plus root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 into tan inverse u means what? U means t minus 1 by t by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 ln t plus 1 by t minus root 2 divided by t plus 1 by t plus root 2 plus c. Okay, so what is t here? T means what is t here? Root over 10x. T means root over 10x, square root of 10x. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse of 10x square root of 10x minus 1 by root over 10x whole divided by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and what is here? This is equal to what? Log of root 10x plus 1 by root 10x minus root 2 divided by root 10x plus 1 by root 10x plus root 2 plus c. Okay, so final answer is what? This is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse root 10x minus root, this is final answer. Okay, you may or may not write, this is final answer. Again one more questions. One question, 1 by sin 4x plus cos 4x ds. So divide numerator and denominator by cos 4x. Okay, divide numerator and denominator by cos 4x. So what here? That is 1 by cos 4x divided by here tan 4x plus 1 dx. 1 by cos 4 means what? Sec 4x. So make sec 4 means sec square x into what? Sec square x divided by tan 4x plus 1 into dx. So this is what? Tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t. This is sec square x ds is equal to what? Dt. So this is dt and this is sec square means 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square x. Tan square means what? 1 plus here, that is we can write here 1 plus tan square x into what? Sec square x divided by tan 4x plus 1 into dx. So what is here? That is tan x is equal to t. So 1 plus t square or t square plus 1 or t square plus 1 into dt by what? T fourth plus 1. This is twin form. Okay, so divide. So this is what? Divide by t square, divide numerator and denominator by t square. So what is here? That is 1 plus 1 by t square divided by t square plus 1 by t square integration dt. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 plus 1 by t square and t minus 1 by t whole square, and this is 2 dt. Clear? So put t minus 1 by t is equal to v 1 plus 1 by t square, that is dv by dt. So dt comes here 1 plus 1 by t square into dt is equal to dv. Okay, so dv by what? V square plus 2 root 2 square, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse what? V by root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse V means what? V means t minus 1 by t by root 2 plus c. What is t? That is 1 by root 2 tan inverse. Tan inverse t means what? T means tan x. So tan x minus 1 by tan x by root 2. So this is root 2, this is root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into tan inverse what? Tan square x minus tan x. Tan x minus cot x by root 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now this is also only contains the n power of x. So this is 2 in form. So divide numerator and denominator by x square. So 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square into dx. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 dx. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 by x square divided by here plus अच्छी plus थ्री कौन करिया it minus formula of x minus 1 by x whole square plus what? Plus 2 minus 1 into dx. So this is equal to what? X 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 minus 1, this is 1 into ds. Put x minus 1 by x is equal to t 1 plus 1 by x square into dx. X square into ds is equal to dt. So this is equal to dt by t square plus 1. So this is equal to tan inverse t plus c. What is t? Tan inverse t means what? X minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x plus c. Okay, clear? Then another question. Same question, identical question, same type question. So this is also power to power, power even. So divide numerator and denominator by x square. So this is 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 7 plus 1 by x square into dx. Same thing. This is equal to what? That is equal to 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus what? 7 into dx. Clear? So plus sign अच्छी तो a minus b whole square plus 2 a b formula पकेगा. तो integration of 1 plus 1 by x square plus x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x cancel रहेला 2 रहेला plus 7 into dx. So what is here? That is x 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x minus 1 by x whole square plus 9 into ds. 9 means we can write 3 square. Okay, so put x minus 1 by x is equal to t 1 plus 1 by x square dt by dx. So 1 plus 1 by x square into ds is equal to what? Dt. So this is dt by and t square plus 3 square. X square plus a square type formula, that is 1 by a 1 by 3 into tan inverse t by 3 plus c. What is t? That is 1 by 3 into tan inverse t means what? X minus 1 by x by 3 plus c. These are the concepts and problems of the 2 in integral form. Okay, in next class we will discuss integration of some irrational function. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.